Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Zengo wallet. First of all, open the Zengo wallet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the two arrows icon at the bottom of the screen and a pop-up will slide up. Inside it, tap on the buy feature and then search for the coin you want to buy. In our case, it will be Bitcoin, so select it and all of the available payment methods will appear in front of you. Now, you just need to select the preferred network and then tap on the continue button. For this tutorial, I will select transact and continue to the next step. Now, you will be redirected to a web page where you will be able to select the preferred currency, enter the required amount, and then choose one of the available payment options. Once you select it, you will be asked to verify your identity. Now, agree to the terms and then enter the required personal details. After that, if you tap on the continue button, you will be prompted to enter the information about the payment option you selected. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.